In this video, I'll guide you through how you can resize Canva templates. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To resize Canva template for free, at the beginning take a new tab and open canva.com. Now click on create and choose a new custom size. Let's go with 500 wide and 600 in height and click on create new design. Now you have to go to the first template and select one of the element and press Ctrl+A at the same time. Now right click on it and hit copy. Now go to the new resize design and right click on it and click on paste. Then this kind of pop-up can be appear on your screen and click on allow. Now go to the previous template. At first select the background, click on background color and click on it. Now copy the color code. Go to the new design, select background, click on background color. Now paste a new color code and select the new color. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily resize Canva template for free.